Hello guys, if you're getting the error message, entry point not found in the dynamic link library, don't worry. It's a common issue that can show up on Windows computers from time to time. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix it quickly and easily. First, open the Windows search and type CMD. When you see command prompt in the search results, right-click on it and run as administrator. Once the command prompt opens, type system info and press enter. This will display detailed information about your system. Look for the system type. For example, it might say x64 based PC. Make a note of that. Next, open any web browser and search for Visual C++ Redistributable Package. Download Visual Studio 2013. Then click on the first official Microsoft result. Now, choose your preferred language and click Download. Based on your system type, like x64, select the correct version of the installer and click Download button to begin downloading. Once downloaded, open the file location, right-click the setup file and run as administrator. Accept the license terms, click Install, and let it finish. We've successfully installed the Visual C++ 2013 Redistributable package. Now, let's move on to the next step. Go to the Windows search bar again and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command window, type sfc/scan now, then press enter. This process might take a few minutes, so be patient. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and automatically repair them if needed. As you can see, the scan has completed and some corrupted files have been successfully repaired. Once this is done, simply close the window and restart your computer. After restarting, the entry point not found in the dynamic link library error should be resolved. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the entry point not found error. Hopefully your system is now running smoother and error-free. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective tech solutions, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future fixes, tutorials, or tech tips. I've got plenty more content coming your way, from troubleshooting common Windows errors to optimizing your PC's performance, so stay tuned and see you later.